Chat show presented by Prism, titled It's All About Me. Today we have one of the most famous personality of our college, a great academician, a great scholar, well-talented principal. It's none other than our beloved principal, Mr. Dr. Shivasekar Reddy Garu. Hello sir, welcome to our show sir.
Thank you.
Sir, how do you rejoice being the principal of SVIT?
It's a great pleasure for me to be the principal of this institution. The management is very good, staff is dedicated, and the students are disciplined. Really, I am enjoying with this profession.
Sir, how do you rationalize the education system of our state?
Yes, it's a very important segment of every institution. Educational system, it is a continuous process, and there is a need for us to revise this continuous process time to time. One has to take care of the course structure to be reviewed, syllabus to be reviewed, subjects to be reviewed. Time to time, the needs of the industry is different. Accordingly, there is a need for us to change all these things. Otherwise, we cannot able to provide a competitive education for the students.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message. Sir, everyone is excited that till now SVIT has developed so far, and what is the future of SVIT? So, can you please tell how can you visualize SVIT after 5 years?
This is a very great institution with a strong foundation of a very good ethics. It is running under the direction of eminent educationalists. Therefore, when we look forward, future of this institution, it will be a great future, and it will be a great institution after few years, mere because that the institution is with a strong educational background and great academicians.
Thank you, sir. Sir, how do you cherish the moment when you won the gold medal in your career?
Really, it was an exciting situation for me, and this success is because of many more people, and I wanted to share this success with my family members and the teachers and the society, which has really encouraged me to achieve this particular medal.
Sir, being a principal of college, it's really a great achievement, sir. Can you tell us whom do you dedicate this success and achievements in your lives?
See, success, it is not where we can able to say at one particular point of the time, this is the only a success. It's a continuous process. Once when we wanted to have a success, there is a need for us to follow a particular discipline to achieve this success. I will be looking in the way, in what way I have been achieved the success. And it is an endless one. Till now, whatever I have been achieved, here it is with some sort of satisfaction, with some sort of discipline. So I trust upon the feelings that anybody, if they wanted to be successful, be disciplined and be dedicated, success will be there in your life.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, last college day, that is Spark, we have enjoyed a lot. Can you describe Spark 2014, which is coming shortly?
Yes, it is our tradition that we are celebrating not one day college celebrations. It is 3-day college celebrations. The first day is with sports day. The second day will be the ethnics day. The third day will be the college day. The years to come, we will see that this festival will be not conducted only for 3 days. It will be conducted for many more days. At least we will see that the near future, a week celebrations will be there with SVIT, incorporating many more components in the celebrations.
Okay, sir. Sir, please give us your valuable message to students of SVIT.
I will be very excited with my students. They are well managed, they are well disciplined. I'll tell you that if they wanted to be successful, they should be dedicated and they should be sincere for their work and they should be disciplined. Then only they can able to achieve whatever they wanted. These are the secrets behind every success.
Thank you, sir. We will follow your rules, sir.
Thank you, Anand.
Thank you for answers, sir. So, friends, now we are going to start a rapid fire round. Are you ready, sir?
Yeah, fine.
Sir, describe yourself in one word.
I am straightforward, disciplined.
Okay, sir. What is the craziest thing you have done in your life?
What is?
What is the craziest thing?
I don't feel that anything crazy in my life.
Sir, if you have given $1 million, what will you do?
I am not interested with the money.
Money.
My work will be not related to money. My responsibilities is not related to money. I need money for my needs. I don't need money beyond my needs.
Nice answer, sir. Sir, if you have given a call and only one call, whom do you first call?
Quite natural, I wanted to have always chat with my kids,
Kids. Okay.
that too my younger kid.
Because they are the best friend of dad and mother.
Definitely, because I share a lot of things with my kids.
Okay, sir. Here are some of the questions asked by our students of SVIT. Sir, tell us one thing which we didn't know about you.
I think when it comes to executing the responsibilities, your principal holding a responsibility, he will be looking different. On the other side, when I wanted to be there with my families, the things it will be different. So therefore, how I will be there with my family will be not known to
Our students.
our students. And I appeal to all the students that a man with any responsibilities will be different. A man who will be friendly will be different. I wanted to share both the faces with my students.
Okay, sir. Sir, one student have asked an interesting question.
Yeah.
What is the reason behind your pleasant smile?
Isn't it so?
Yes,
Every
sir.
time I am smiling,
Yes, sir.
if it is so, it will be a gift given by the God.
Okay, sir. Sir, how were you in your childhood?
Really, for everything I was much worried. I was setting myself goals and I was struggling every time to achieve my goals. Every time I was behind of the target. Still I never lost my confidence. I will be moving forward and forward. That's what you can see today.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Any question from cameramen? Sir, in this year, we have implemented this chat show presented by our PRISM team. Do you want to tell any suggestions for us?
It's really interesting. We wanted to carry forward all these activities. Still more interesting way, let us look forward in our future that many more such activities will be incorporated as a component of this festival.
Okay, sir. So friends, thank you for watching this video. It's my pleasure to take the interview of our beloved principal, and sir also spent a valuable time with us. Thank you, sir. And I also thank my team members, Bharatwaj, cameraman Syed, Shahid, Ashwini, Tabrez and Shafiq. Thank you.